Hey guys, we're on our way to see the fireworks show. Hopefully they have it this time. It's supposed to be happening like 2 days ago. They had to cancel due to the weather and they did it like twice. So hopefully today it's supposed to happen like at 9:30. Right now it's like 9:14. So we're on our way there and I'll show you guys when we get there. Okay, y'all see that? Yeah, it's probably packed. It is. Okay, guys, we got lucky, found a good parking spot. So we're gonna get down and watch these fireworks. Park that Church's Chicken.
I don't know if I'm parking.
It's crazy parking, guys. About to get out and do this. Guys, I believe we got the perfect parking space. That one's pretty. Awesome. Okay guys, we gotta leave because we was told we can't park here. They said we have to purchase some in order to park
and then
here.
they closed.
As you guys can see, they closed. Said I want nobody on their property. So, and that's the popo over there. They don't want to tell us we have to leave. They don't want to tell everybody they have to leave. See the park line skin clear now. So we're about to pretty much ride out and try to find a place to park. Hopefully we can
Y'all put
catch
your
the.
seatbelts on?
Hopefully we can
Rachel,
catch the
put your
ending.
seatbelt on.
That's pretty much all I can see the ending anyways. So you guys stay tuned. Now it's hard. Okay guys, this is our new location right here because, like I said earlier, the other people didn't want us to park on their property. Now it's ass KFC anyways, KFC that nobody never goes to. I'm gonna add some bad reviews when I get to the house. Oh, that's like that. I like that. Show you guys when we parked there. Yes, they decided to stay in the car. They don't want to get out. We parked like back here in the alley. So what?
Why they did it's so low right there. If you're not standing here, you can't see the.
I know.
Pretty down below right there.
I know. I didn't think they was gonna have. If I knew they was gonna have it, I probably would have came earlier. Yeah.
That was
They did a good job with that one. Alright. Now we gotta hurry up and go beat this traffic, huh? I wonder if we can leave from behind here. Yeah. I bet you do. There you guys see where we parked at. Right behind some goddamn BS. Oh, my bad. Here I come. Yeah, I gotta beat the traffic, guys.
What they should have did instead of fireworks, then they did it. It said 4th of July.
Oh, you talking about like when Chinese people be doing go? They should be careful because there's a bunch of holes and stuff. It's not worth turning your car up. Got my seatbelt on. Well, it's a good thing we did park back here because if we would have stayed in front, it would have been traffic like crazy. Yeah. We can like turn right here.
turn right here, Larry.
And we definitely gonna beat the traffic. Yeah. See you guys later. Hopefully we can go this way.
We can. We're just gonna turn to another road.
Let me turn this light on real quick. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. More than ever, checking out. And happy late 4th of July fireworks show. It should have been done like, what, 5 days ago, but they've been raining like crazy here in Texas, so we didn't get our stuff out in time. So anyways, we out. Peace.